You gotta make sure you weld it in the crack.
I need a lot so that it goes in. Woo! So I think it's pretty welded on top on that side.
You sure? Because I did a lot of welding on this side, and it finally got in.
It's just like putting it in the spot, right?
Yeah, it's basically filling in the hole. After you fill in the hole, then you like go over it.
Woo! All right, did you do that side?
This side. We have to do like the top layer.
Yeah, I already did the top layer over there.
You gotta keep on.
You gotta
feeding
go
it
from that side
in the same spot. You're just tapping it.
Let me just tell you something. Turn it on. Let me see something.
Turn what on?
Car.
How's that gonna help?
Because we need to know if the air is coming out.
Well, we could see. I can see this. I can still see holes. Let's cover the holes first, and then we turn the car off to see the air comes out.
Yo, be careful, nigga. I seen cars flying by. Two cars.
Did you? Here, use this to clean it out to see where you missed.
Be careful with your eyes. Ooh, that shit hit my neck. That's just.
You gotta feed it and do it and leave it there for a while on the same spot.
Woo!
Pa que agarre. You're just cutting off. It's just falling off right now. What are you doing?
No, I'm putting it.
No, but you're look at all that shit you're wasting. That's
True.
Once it wastes, I don't have any more.
Oh, how much is in here?
I don't know, but don't waste it. That's what I'm saying.
You're
supposed to. I'm not a professional. You're supposed to use this much, not this much, because this is gonna fall off.
Oh, I got you.
So you gotta do it like if it's here. You gotta do it like 2 inches away and just feed it while you're doing.
All right, you do that one on this side. I'll do this one on. Shit, I'll do that one on. Yo, I was too pointing. They got stuck. Remember that you gotta go over. Watch out.
Hold on, let me do it.
Nigga, that shit is gonna fall on your phone and burn right through.
Oh shit.
So wait, do you think that you got all the way up there?
No, I didn't.
That's why I have it a lot. You know what I'm saying? That's why I have it. That's why I put a lot so I can get up there. You're not even gonna be able to see with that black shit. Can you see with it?
After you start it, you can see it. After the light's in it.
Now you got another one stuck to it. It's fine. It's fine. That's fine. You just keep using the same one. So you can see it right there, like where you're going?
Yeah. That's why you have to use this.
Be careful, nigga. You don't want. Go on and finish my part on top. What, your phone is on fire?
Uh-huh.
Told you.